Buy GoPro HERO7 Silver Waterproof Digital Action Camera at cheap and limited time discount from link in the description. Meet HERO7, the perfect camera for adventures big and small. It's built tough and totally waterproof, just grab it and go for it. Smooth 4K video and vibrant WDR photos make every moment look amazing. GPS lets you track how fast, high and far you went. Get stunning 4K video that's as amazing as the moment itself. You can also shoot time-lapse videos to turn longer events into short, shareable moments. Share experiences you can't capture with your phone. HERO7 is tough, tiny, totally waterproof, and up for any adventure. With a touch screen and simple, streamlined capture modes, it's easy to jump right in and get great shots. Just swipe and tap. Stay in the moment. Control your HERO7 hands-free with voice commands like GoPro Take a Photo and GoPro Start Recording. HERO7 Silver takes beautiful, vibrant 10MP photos, even in challenging shots that mix bright light and shadows. And with burst mode, you can get 15 photos in 1 second. Adios shaky footage. HERO7 Silver records smooth, steady video whether you're skiing, snorkeling or chasing your dog around the yard. Capture photos and videos in portrait orientation, perfect for your Snapchat and Instagram stories. A photo timer makes it easy to grab a GoPro selfie or group shot with your whole crew in the frame. V30 video speed class makes PNY Elite X micro SD card ideal for 4K recording and streaming. Transfer speed of up to 100 MB per second, so that you are always ready for the next video or photo, no more buffering, no more waiting.